Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Jura Impreza Z7. We replaced this guy right here. You can see how the attachment piece is broken off. And so let's go ahead and test the machine by making a cappuccino. You can see it's doing a good job of sucking water from the cup. That's what usually is used to suck milk, but I don't want to dirty the machine. There we go. Let's just test the espresso function. You can see the light shining down there. See, the espresso is working well. So thank you for testing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.